This video will guide you through the wide range of wash and dry programs available on the Smeg freestanding washer dryer, helping you get the most out of your appliance and achieve outstanding results every time. To ensure optimal performance, it's important to load the appliance correctly. The washer dryer supports up to 7 kg for wash-only cycles, making it ideal for everyday laundry. For combined wash and dry programs, we recommend reducing the load to 4 kg to ensure efficient and even drying. Some programs have specific load recommendations, so please refer to the instruction booklet for detailed guidance. Once you've selected your program, the clear digital display shows the cycle duration, which may adjust automatically depending on the size of the load, fabric type and water pressure. Simply turn the dial, choose your program and confirm your selection using the soft touch controls. The Smeg Washer Dryer offers a wide selection of carefully designed programs, each with its own water levels, spin speeds and temperatures to ensure your clothes are cleaned effectively whilst being gently cared for. Some of the key wash programs include cottons, which is ideal for durable fabrics like sheets and towels and can be paired with the quick wash function to shorten cycle times without compromising results. Eco 40-60 is a longer but highly efficient cycle for cottons and mixed fabrics, using significantly less water and energy, perfect for sustainable everyday laundry. The Synthetics program is designed for polyester blends and mixed fibres, with reduced spin speeds and tailored drum movements to prevent stretching and fibre damage. Quick wash is great for lightly soiled items or last-minute outfits, with cycle times ranging from just 14 to 30 minutes. There are also practical programs like Rinse and Spin, which adds an extra rinse and spin to refresh laundry and remove excess detergent and drain. A simple setting to empty the drum when needed. Drying is just as versatile, with dedicated cycles for different fabric types and load sizes. Cotton dry is perfect for heavier items like towels, jeans and bedding, while synthetic dry offers a lower heat option for lighter and delicate fabrics. There is also a mixed fabrics dry program for when you're drying a combination of items. These drying cycles use sensor-controlled automatic drying, with advanced sensors inside the drum which monitor moisture levels and stop the cycle once the desired dryness is reached. This saves energy, prevents over-drying and protects your fabrics. If you prefer manual control, time drying allows you to set the exact duration to suit your needs. For added convenience, you can select a complete wash and dry cycle in one seamless step, ideal for busy households and effortless laundry care. The Smeg Washer Dryer also includes specialist programs for enhanced garment care. The anti-allergy program uses steam at the start of the cycle to neutralize allergens like pollen, dust mites and bacteria, making it especially suitable for baby clothes, bedding and sensitive skin. The shirts program is designed to reduce creasing and make ironing easier. And the wool program is specifically developed for hand-washable wool garments, using lower temperatures and gentle agitation to maintain softness and prevent shrinkage. For these gentler cycles, a liquid detergent is recommended as it dissolves more easily and rinses out more thoroughly. Be sure to follow the temperature guidance on your garment labels for best results. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.